Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Honda Pilot key fob. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. You can also use a small flat tip screwdriver, but it's not mandatory. First thing you want to do is press this button and pull out your mechanical key. Next, take your mechanical key, place it right here, and you can just use this to pry the two halves apart. You can either use your key here. I think a screwdriver is a little bit easier. Just gently get under there and pry the dead battery out. The new one is going to go in positive side facing upward. And the tricky part here is putting these two back together. You want to make sure you get over this little lip here. You want to make sure this part gets over that little lip, or it will not line up very well. Put your key back in, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.